Here's an interesting fact about the CAT exam. Around 2 lakh people take the CAT exam every year. To be able to make it past all those, it needs work. And we're here to make it all easy for you. Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we've got an information-packed video for you on one of the most sought-after exams in India, the CAT exam. CAT stands for Common Admissions Test. It is one of the most prestigious and competitive exams for admissions into top-notch management programs in India, such as the IIMs. Any bachelor's degree holder or a final year student can apply for CAT. Here's all you need to be eligible for CAT. If you are a bachelor's degree holder, you need to have a minimum of 50% marks, 45% for SC, ST and PWD candidates, have the conversion factor given by your university if they award you grades or CGPA, make sure the university awarding the degree is recognized by the MHRD. If you're a final year student, you must clear your bachelor's degree with the required percentage and provide proof of the same at the time of selection. Otherwise, your results will be rendered null and void. Let's go over the CAT registration process quickly. Visit the official website, create your account, receive OTP and verify, log in and fill out the application form, upload your documents, pay the registration fee, review and submit. Here are the CAT exam fee details mentioned on the screen. That's all you need to register for the CAT exam successfully. Let's break down the CAT exam pattern. CAT is a computer-based test and contains 3 sections: verbal ability and reading comprehension, data interpretation and logical reasoning, and quantitative ability. This exam is 120 minutes or 2 hours long and has 66 questions. In short, CAT is a race against the clock that demands knowledge and strategic time management. Each section on the CAT is divided in this way as mentioned on the screen. The 66 questions in the CAT exam contain both MCQs and non-MCQs. You get 3 marks for every correct MCQ answer, while 1 mark is deducted for every wrong MCQ answer. There is no negative marking for non-MCQ questions. Do not worry, a basic on-screen calculator will be provided to perform calculations. It's always good to do some homework before you commit to something, right? So now that you know about the CAT exam pattern, it's time to know how the CAT exam is scored. CAT uses a scaled scoring system. Your raw scores are converted to scaled scores for each section and an overall percentile score. These percentiles are then used by business schools to shortlist candidates like you. Every IIM and top B school may have their own selection criteria such as GD, PI and more. So keep an eye on the specific requirements of the B schools that you're interested in. Preparing for CAT is a journey in itself. So here are some tips to prepare for this beast. Develop a detailed daily and weekly study plan. Take mock tests regularly to improve time management. Analyze your mock tests to identify your strengths and weaknesses. Become proficient in using the on-screen calculator to save time during calculations. Maintain an error log to track your recurring mistakes. Let's fast forward to the D-Day. Here are some last-minute tips to keep in mind. Get a good night's sleep the day before. Most CAT aspirants spend long nights preparing for the big day, but resting on the night before the exam is crucial so that you're attentive and focused while solving questions. Carry your CAT admit card and a valid photo ID. Dress comfortably. You don't want anything distracting you. Reach the exam center well before time. And yes, stay calm and confident. Often, students are able to solve questions during practice but fail to do the same ones while the exam is happening because of stress. My advice, don't overthink it. You've got this. So what happens after you've conquered the CAT exam? It's time for next steps such as group discussions, personal interviews, and the admission processes into your dream B school. Remember, the journey does not end with CAT. It's just an exciting chapter into your academic and professional life. So there you have it, folks, a comprehensive guide to the CAT exam. Keep believing in yourself, and soon you'll be proudly saying, I cracked CAT. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up, and as always, stay curious.